Hello and welcome to the next in our series of training videos. In this one we're going to be talking about the lighting desk in the TV gallery. So what you have is it's this big panel that's mounted into the desk next door to the director's PC and the monitor for the video playout. What you'll notice is there's about 8 sliders along the bottom and then a big box of things on the left called fixtures. So what you need to do is, in order to get the lights to work, you need to select the fixture that you want, and they are all labelled up. So you've got cyclorama, stage right, presenter one top, so on and so forth. So all you do to control them is you select the fixture that you want, and then down on the bottom here you can choose red, green, blue or white, and they all work on an RGBW colour mixing palette. So what you can do is you can have all red, for example, or you can have all blue, or you can mix green and red together to make purple, or red and green, etc, etc. So you've got quite a lot of flexibility there. The quickest way to set up for a recording is to just tap Master Preset 1, and then it will load up the master preset for live TV news. You can also just tap Sports Preset, and that will automatically load up the preset that's in place for sports.